Hello and welcome to my Stan Store review and demo video. In this video, I'm going to cover all important features of Stan Store so that you can decide if Stan Store is worth your money or not. And by the way, if you want to try Stan Store absolutely free, then you can check the special link given in the video description. By using that link, you can try Stan Store absolutely free for next 14 days. So don't forget to check the link given in the video description. So when you will create your free account using the special link given in the video description, then you will see a dashboard like this. When it came to first impression with Stan Store, I loved how clean and easy to use this platform is when it comes to create your link in bio section. And whatever you are building, you can also see the live preview in the real time, as you can see. So UI and UX of this tool is just amazing. So now let's discuss about how to add products in your Stan Store. So for this, all you need to do is just go to the My Stores option from the left sidebar and then click on plus add product button. So as you can see, you can sell almost anything with Stan Store. You can use it as lead magnet to collect the email of your audience. You can sell digital product like PDF, guide, template, ebooks or anything using Stan Store. You can sell coaching calls, you can sell your custom product, you can sell courses, okay, you can charge for recurring subscription, you can host webinar and monetize it, you can host your community inside Stan Store, so you don't need a school platform or circle platform to create your own community. So you can also create community and you can turn it into paid community to make money from your community like a school and circle. And you can also add a link to external site or your own site, and there are lots of things as you can see. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital product using Stan Store. So for this, all you need to do is just click on this digital product option, and here you can start creating your first digital product which you want to sell with Stan Store. So here is different option, like as you can see the live preview of how it will look. So you can select button option like this, you can select call out option like this, or you can select preview to show your product like this. Personally, I like this call out option. Next one is selecting the image. You suppose if you want to upload your product image, then you can click on choose image option and you can upload it, but for now I'm going to use the default one. Next option is to add text. So whatever the title, subtitle or button you will write here, it will update in the real time. Here you can check the live preview. So let me change it, something like get my affiliate sale booster guide. We will deliver this ebook right to your inbox. Get proven strategies. Here you can see the live preview how it will look in your link in bio section in Stan Store. Okay, after that click on next, and here is the option for checkout page. From here you can select any image you want to use as featured image. So here is my title, get my affiliate sales booster guide, and here you can write the description which you are seeing here. Okay, so suppose I want to use AI to write description for me. So what I will do, I will click on generate with AI, and then I'm going to describe what I'm going to offer in this product or ebook. Okay, so I have written a very simple description here. This ebook is all about increasing affiliate sales with my proven strategies that are working for me. So let me click on generate and let's see what AI will write for us. So as you can see, AI has written entire product description for us. So as you can see, it has written this description, added some bullet points, what you will learn inside this ebook, and here is the testimonial section. Suppose someone has given you any testimonial for your ebook, then you can add your customer name and you can add their testimonial here. You can just replace it, just click on replace to replace it here. Okay, so it is very easy. So you can customize this description further according to your need. Then after that, here is the bottom title and call to action button title. So let me show you where it is. So as you can see, here is the get my guide. It is showing like this. So let me write something like get my secret affiliate marketing strategies, and call to action button is get this ebook now. Okay, as you can see. So in this way you can customize every single thing in this page. And next is here you can set the price of your product. So let's say my product price is $29.99, and suppose if you want to offer any special discount to your audience, then you can enable this option, and here you can enter the discounted price. So let me write something like 19.97. so as you can see, original price is this, and I'm going to offer a special discount for my audience, so I'm going to offer it for just $19.97. so if you are confused like where it is showing like they are getting discount, so just scroll to the top, and as you can see here just below our title, product title, it is showing that original price is $29.99 and they are getting it for just $19.97 for a very limited time. Here it is showing for name field and email address field. If you want to add phone number field or any other additional field, then you can click on add field and you can add it. Okay, here is the option to upload your digital product. So here just click on upload. So I have uploaded a random PDF file here just to give you a demo. So when they will purchase it, then they can download this ebook. Okay, and let's click on publish. So as you can see, after creating our product, it will look like this in our link in bio section. Okay, as you can see, it will show my name and then it will show my product which I'm going to sell, and they can click on it and they can then redirect it to checkout page and then they can buy this product, that is ebook. So here is the product we have created. So let's click on it, and here are some additional options. Suppose you have received lots of review from your customer, then you can click on add customer review and you can add your customer review. It will appear in this page, so that will definitely help you to increase your digital product sales. So next is email flow. So suppose if they have purchased this product, then you want to promote some other product to your audience, then you can set up some email flow that will go one by one in their inbox every single day. Okay, next is order bump. So suppose if you want to offer any other product for a very less price in this checkout page, then you can set order bump from here. You want to create affiliate program for this particular product, then you can also do it with affiliate share option. Next is confirmation email. So when they will purchase your ebook after paying you money, then they will receive this confirmation email automatically. You don't need to do anything. Stan Store know everything about this product, like your username, what product you are selling. It will automatically replace this product name with your product name. It will change customer name with your customer name. It will add the product file. So suppose if you are selling ebook, so it will add the ebook which you are selling automatically in this emails, and also it will add your username, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, and if you want to write anything else, then you can simply type it here like this. I hope you got it. This will go automatically to your customer inbox when they will purchase this ebook. And here is some advanced option. So if you want to change your product link, then you can change it from here. Okay, and after that click on publish. So I hope that you notice one thing is missing, that we have not connected any payment gateways. So suppose customer will purchase your product, then you want that money in your bank account. So for this you have to connect your payment gateway in Stan Store. So just click on setting and go to this payment option, and you can connect your Stripe or PayPal account here so that you can receive your money in your bank account. Okay, and let me show you one more option. So if you will click on edit design, then so as you can see there are lots of design available here, but personally I like this minimum one. It is simple and very attractive. And let's discuss about some other options. So when you will start selling your product with Stan Store, then you can check your income by going to this income tab. You can check your latest order by date and time, email, product, amount, discount code, whatever it is. So you can check everything from here. You can see the analytics, like how many people have visited your store and how many leads you have got and total revenue you have generated. You can check your customer detail by going to this tab. So suppose if you are selling any paid coaching call, then you can check your appointment here. You can go to email flow to set some automated email that will go to your customer inbox one by one every single day. Next is auto DM feature. So suppose if you want to automate your Instagram business, then you can set auto DMs, like you can set your engagement and autopilot. Just pick a keyword, craft your message, and watch as everyone who comment your magic word get a personalized response instantly. Okay, so you can set up some keyword, and when your follower will use that keyword in comment, then it will automatically reply to their comments. So Stan Store comes with two pricing plan, Creator and Creator Pro plan. Creator plan will cost you $29 per month and Creator Pro will cost you $99 per month. And here you are going to get almost all features in Creator plan. But if you want some additional features like email flow, discount coupon code and upsell, affiliate link and pixel tracking, then you have to switch to Creator Pro plan. Otherwise, if you are just starting out, then the Creator plan is perfect for you. One question lots of people ask when it comes to Stan Store is that, is Stan Store worth it? So my answer is yes. If you like simplicity and if you want to sell your digital product, coaching call, courses, community or anything without any hassle, then yes, it is worth your money, because selling the digital product is very easy with Stan Store, as you already seen in this particular review. As you already saw that you can sell digital product, ebook, courses, webinars, coaching calls, communities, paid communities and so much more with the help of Stan Store. And suppose if you don't want to sell any physical product, then also you can use it as a link in bio tool to add your affiliate link or important link in your link in bio section. So now let's discuss about what are the things I don't like about Stan Store. So the very first thing is that there is no free plan. So if you want to use it for free, then it is not possible. They don't have any free plan. Second option is that the email automation is only available in the higher plan. It is not available in the lower plan, in the Creator plan. So it is also a serious limitation. So last thing which I don't like about Stan Store is that the pricing difference between Creator and Creator Pro. So if you want to switch from Creator to Creator Pro just for, let's say, discount code and upsells offer or email marketing, then you have to pay a huge difference amount, as you can see, from $29 per month to $99 per month. So these are the three things which I don't like about Stan Store. Otherwise, it is perfect for selling any digital product, physical product, coaching calls, etc. Okay, and it is one of the best link in bio tool and alternative of tools like Linktree. So if you want to try Stan Store yourself absolutely free for next 14 days, then I have shared a special affiliate link in the video description. By using that link, you can try Stan Store absolutely free for next 14 days without any risk, so that you can decide if Stan Store is worth your money or not. If you still have any questions regarding Stan Store, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this Stan Store review video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.